and I am very happy that it's a grand success. And about other yatras also, Mr. Mirvardhan mentioned its purpose. And Grama Yatra about 1 year I spent. Today I am very happy, further happy to say that I reached this place, Goa, on 14th July in 2021. It's completing 4th year. I can very well say people are good at heart, a very cordial relationship between so many communities. Egam Sat Vipra Bhagadavan. The paths may be different, but ultimately we are going to reach the single point, that is truth. Truth is God. That concept is there. Gandhiji's concept of truth is God. From Vedas he has taken, and I am extremely happy that on this particular day I visited this famous temple, and I had occasion to meet all of them, and in their presence I declare hereafter I am going to one church and one masjid, and this is a concluding session of my yatra. Press people also, my brothers and sisters in the press, they have given more importance to this program, and your cooperation also. I am soliciting further your help for the state of, not for governor, for the welfare of the state.
On the 13th of May, Honorable Governor has announced the Khushal Kalyan Yatra. And this yatra we started with Ananta Padmanabha Swami Temple in Savaivar. Then we went to Shantadurga Kunkolikar. We also did Kalika Temple in Bicholing Taluka. And we visited various other temples and also mosques and churches also we covered. And this is the 7th day of the yatra. 6 days we have completed, 7th day, and it started on the 13th of May and it is concluding here on this day, 14th of July, which means exactly 60 days of this yatra we have covered, on totally devoting 6 days, and today is the 7th day. Today we are before Goddess Mahalakshmi, the very sacred precincts of Goddess Mahalakshmi, and the purpose of this yatra, the Khushal Kalyan Yatra, the purpose is to offer prayers